Hi, my name is Aidman, and I'm going to talk to you today about mediation, which is a voluntary proceeding in which all the sides get together with a mediator and try to get the case settled. And it's pretty much, as far as I'm concerned, always a good thing. Even if you don't get the case settled, both sides learn about their case, they meet each other, and differences get ironed out. Sometimes the insurance companies are serious about settling at mediation, and sometimes they're not. Usually they are, though. If they're going to spend their time and money on a mediation, they're usually serious. Sometimes with the bigger cases, they're not really serious, but they're just trying to find out what they can about the plaintiff's case. Even in that case, I don't mind going to the mediation because I'm going to obviously learn something too, and it helps to move things along. Now, the mediator, I usually agree to just about anybody that the insurance company wants. It's not like a binding arbitration in which I would be extremely careful about who would be the binding arbitrator. But for a mediation, I can always just walk away and say no thanks. And I want the insurance company to feel like they got to use the mediator of their choosing. If that mediator happens to like my case and suggest settlement for an amount that I like, I can say to the insurance company, you chose this mediator and look at what he's recommending, and that's pretty persuasive. I tell the client before the mediation that the mediator is not necessarily their friend. The mediator may try to ingratiate him or herself with the client, but really the only friend the client has is the attorney. Or maybe like I might bring a settlement person to work the numbers up so that if there is a settlement offer, we can figure out a way to maybe do a structured settlement. And I might have an ally with me, but other than that, it's just me and the client, and the mediator is a tool that we use, but not someone who is necessarily a friend of the client. In fact, generally, the mediators work more for the insurance companies, and so they're certainly not a friend. And the client needs to know that, and the client needs to know that it's perfectly okay to walk away from a mediation without settling. And in many cases, that is the best thing. So that's a little bit about mediations. If you'd like to talk to me, give me a call at 610-642-7676.